Hmm.
Good morning, dear student. In last period you have seen about circulation. You have seen also definition of circulation, types of circulation, single circulation, double circulation, closed circulation and open circulation. Today we have to discuss about blood vascular system. The blood vascular system or circulatory system. Circulatory system have two main components, blood vascular system and lymphatic system. Blood vascular system, their main component are blood, heart and blood vessels. What I say, circulatory system have two divisions. One is the blood vascular system and lymphatic system. So हमें क्या देखना है यार, blood vascular system. Blood vascular system consists of blood, heart and blood vessels. You see one by one. Now, what about the blood? Blood is the liquid connective tissue. It is the fluid connective tissue. Study of blood, it is called hematology. Study of blood, it is called as a hematology. You know very well there are three embryonic layers: mesoderm, ectoderm and endoderm. The origin of blood is a mesodermal. Mesodermal in origin. Every component of blood is originated from the mesoderm. In human body, average blood is 4 to 6 liter. 4 to 6 liter. What about the nature of blood? It is alkaline. Its pH is 7.4. pH is this blood consists of two main components. One of the plasma, another is the blood cell. Blood cell बोलो तो RBC, WBC and platelets. Blood elements. So what I say, origin, mesodermal in origin, average 4 to 6 liter. Chemical nature is alkaline. What is the pH? 7.4. Two main components of blood, plasma and blood cells, including RBC, WBC and platelets and their subtypes. Now see here, what about the plasma? Plasma is a fluid, straw colored fluid. This plasma mainly consists of water, 90% water there and 10% other constituents. Plasma contains 90% water. In addition to this, in plasma there is presence of protein, that is albumin, globulin, prothrombin and fibrinogen. चार प्रोटीन आपको ध्यान में रखना है. Which are albumin, globulin, prothrombin and fibrinogen. That should be 7 to 8% of total plasma. 7 to 8%. Inorganic salts, sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, Fe, PO4, SCO3 and chlorine ion. This is inorganic salt. There is presence of food, glucose, amino acid, fatty acid and triglyceride. That you have to also remember. Near about. And other are 1 to 2% in which hormone, enzymes are there, anticoagulant, heparin is there, cholesterol, antibodies and gases is there, O2, CO2 and nitrogen. Got my point? What are the components of plasma? Plasma mainly consists of water 90%, protein 7 to 8% and inorganic salt 1% and other 1 to 2%. That you have to remember. Water कितनी है? 90%. प्रोटीन कौन कौन से हैं? Albumin, globulin, prothrombin, fibrinogen. Inorganic salt, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, SCO3, PO4. Food, glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, triglyceride. There may be hormones, enzymes, anticoagulant that prevent the coagulation of blood, that is heparin, cholesterol, antibodies, gases O2, CO2 and nitrogen. This is about the plasma. Got my point? Now, next part, that is the blood cells. There are different type of blood cells. They perform the different functions. There are दूसरे नाव है formed elements. What is called formed elements? Formed elements. There may be, according to their structure function, there are different types of blood cell. RBC, WBC and platelets. First of all, we discuss about the RBC, red blood corpuscles, erythrocytes. What about this? They are circular, biconcave and enucleated cells. That you have to remember. Except camel, there is a nucleated cell. These RBC are red color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Due to the presence of hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin? It is the respiratory pigment. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. कितना है बेटा? 120 days. Average number in male and female it is varied. In male near about 5.1 to 5.8 million per cubic millimeter of the blood. मेल में कितनी होती है आरबीसी? 5.1 to 5.8 million per cubic millimeter of blood, while in female 4.3 to 5.2 million per cubic millimeter. ये फिगर आपको ध्यान में रखना है. एवरेज नंबर ऑफ आरबीसी मेल, एवरेज नंबर ऑफ आरबीसी फीमेल. मेल में कितना लिखना है आपको? 5.1 to 5.8 million per cubic millimeter, while in female 4.3 to 5.2 million per cubic millimeter. Now RBCs are formed. Formation of RBC, it is called as erythropoiesis. Remember please. पूछते हैं कभी कभी define the erythropoiesis. What is meant by RBC formation? What is called erythropoiesis? Where are developed? They are developed from hemocytoblast cell. RBC are developed from hemocytoblast cell. From which organ RBC are produced? That organ called as a erythropoietic organ. In child, liver and spleen is the erythropoietic organ. In adult, excuse the red bone marrow. That you have to remember. Formation of RBC, what it called? Erythropoiesis. Where they are developed? They are developed from hemocytoblast cell, reticulate cells. The organ produce the RBC, what it called? Erythropoietic organ. In child, liver and spleen. In adult, red bone marrow. Under stimulation of an hormone, erythropoietin hormone, that stimulate the cell for formation of RBC, that will be secreted by kidney. That you have to remember. Erythropoietin hormone को secrete करते हैं, poietin that secreted by kidney, that helpful for formation of RBC. Average number 5.1 to 5.8 million per cubic millimeter. If this value is exceed than that of the increasing number of RBC called as the polycythemia. What is called? Polycythemia. Decreasing number, it is called as the erythrocytopenia. This RBC perform the different function which are, you know very well. RBC contain respiratory pigment. Naturally, it transport O2 and CO2. It maintain the pH of blood. It maintain the viscosity of blood. That four functions you have to remember. क्या क्या बताया मैंने? It carry the O2 and CO2, maintaining pH, and it responsible for the viscosity of blood. तो क्वेश्चन कैसा आता है मालूम है? Write note on plasma. Write note on RBC. Got my point? Again see this. RBC is the red blood corpuscles. These are the circular biconcave denucleated cell. Except camel, there is a nucleated cell. Red color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Lifespan is 120 days. कितना है lifespan? 120 days. The number of RBC in male and female it is varies. In male it is 5.1 to 5.8 million per cubic millimeter. In female 4.3 to 5.2 million per cubic millimeter. Formation of RBC, what it called? Erythropoiesis. Where it produced? Name of that cell is hemocytoblast cell. The The organ produce the RBC, what it called? Erythropoietic organ. What's the name? In child, that is liver and spleen. In adult, there is a red bone marrow, that you have to remember. Red bone marrow. Increasing number of RBC, what it called? Polycythemia. Decreasing number called as a erythrocytopenia. What are the functions of RBC? It supply the water, CO2, maintain the pH and viscosity of blood. This is regarding the plasma and RBC.